Hello, it's me, Julio Jovia. I hope you have not been missing me too much. I have been missing my home still. I miss the girls of Paraguay because they are not like the English girl. They are beautiful with big breasts and big ass, but in a good way, not like the English girl. But I performed last night, and I see a girl. She have dark hair and dark eyes, very beautiful, not like a normal English girl. So I said to her, "Do you have a little South American inside you?" And she said no. I said not yet. But their boyfriend was not very happy, but of course she left to come with Julio. And I said to him, I am sorry, but you may come and watch, and perhaps you will learn to satisfy a woman, and girls will then stop leaving you for a Latin pop singer. So it was an interesting night. I'd like to tell you now a little bit about my first album I released in Paraguay. It was the album with the most famous song, The Only Boy in Paraguay with the Eyes of Blue, and of course the most beautiful boy in Paraguay. Of course is a song about me, not about another man. And so this album we call it Hay Lluvia Afuera. Very clever title because my name is Lluvia, but it also means rain, and so it means there is me outside, and on the cover is me, and I am by a window looking in. I look sort of angry and sad, and inside is a family, and they all look very scared and nervous because they do not know why Julio Juvia is looking through their window. But it was very successful album, #1 in the Paraguay album chart for 12 years, and it was very good. And so today I have to cut things short with you, my fanaticals. I am sorry, but they have a very busy schedule, and I will like to keep you informed, but I hope you have finished yourself while looking at me, and please come back to see me again. Thank you very much. Gracias.